KRA are up to something. What it is, we don't know. But if this DeBrun character is telling the truth, the man leading these private military contractors does.
Which means we need to get to him before they do.
Exactly.
Unfortunately, the KRA are already on their way to the port facility where these contractors have set up shop, and they're intent on wiping them out. So time is a factor.
We'll insert by boat, here. Then make our way through this container facility and into the main PMC compound, clearing out any KRA we find along the way. Our key objective is getting to the PMC commander, this guy Rawlins, before he and his men are overrun. To do that, we'll have to move fast and engage the enemy at every opportunity. Just remember, neither side knows we're crashing the party.
Or who we are, for that matter.
So watch your step.
Эй! Тут парковаться запрещено! Это частная собственность! Поворачивай!
Nice work.
From what Toro and I can see, the KRA are swarming all over this place. So let's be sharp.
Move! Roger that. Moving up. Head over there. On my way. Let's clear it out. Heading to your position. Over. Roger. Breaching the door. Target spotted. Hostile eliminated. Taking it out of commission. All right, take a look.
Вижу врага!
Reloading.
Все сюда!
Got a visual.
I've been hit!
You're good to go.
Well, that feels a hell of a lot better. Let's go.
Switching mags. Dead ahead. Take up that position. Take that position. On our way. On my way. Take that position. On my way. Fire in the hole. Got him. If it moves, shoot it. Form up. Copy. Forming up. Head over there. Taking position. Switching mag. Reloading. Head over there. On my way. Reloading. Weapons clear. Reloading. Move! Roger that. Moving up. Target down. Fall in. Following your lead. Flashbang out. Copy that. Going in. Enemy contact. Tango neutralized. Reloading. Fire in the hole. Incoming! Take up that position. Moving. Eliminate target. Target down. All right, take a look. Falling in. If it moves, shoot it. Get ahead. Hostile eliminated. Switching back. Firing on target. Reloading.
Those PMCs are outnumbered and on the run. They're headed for that building on the right. Must be their command center.
Yeah, they'll be lucky if they make it that far. They're getting slaughtered down there.
Let's buy him enough time to get inside.